Everyone thought gold was getting weak here. Sellers were becoming confident after this drop. But while most traders were expecting more downside, I was waiting for one of the cleanest long entries on this chart. And what happened next was explosive. And just look at what happened after the entry. Gold exploded aggressively from this area and started attacking liquidity above the highs. This wasn't a random bullish move. The entire manipulation was already building toward this expansion. Now, let me show you how the trap was created before the rally even started. Now, at this moment, the market looked weak to almost everyone. Price was pushing lower, sellers were gaining confidence, and retail traders were expecting continuation to the downside. But this is exactly where most traders get emotionally trapped. Because instead of real weakness, the market was quietly building liquidity for a reversal. Notice this move carefully. This drop wasn't just bearish pressure, it was inducement. The market was encouraging traders to keep selling lower and lower into fear. Liquidity was being created below the lows while retail traders believed breakdown continuation was coming. But smart money was using that panic to build the real move. And this is the area that completely changed the story. The moment price entered this demand zone, selling pressure started losing control. Buyers began reacting aggressively from this level, and the market stopped behaving weak. This wasn't random support. This was the area where smart money started defending price. But even after the reaction, I still wasn't ready to enter immediately. I was waiting for one clear confirmation from the market, because entering too early inside manipulation is where most traders get trapped again. And then, price finally showed the clue I was waiting for. Right here, the market finally revealed its real intention. Price reacted strongly from demand. Structure started shifting, and bullish displacement entered the market aggressively. This was the first moment sellers truly began losing control. And once this confirmation appeared, the entire setup became much clearer. And right here, this became my perfect entry ever. Everything finally aligned. The inducement, the demand reaction, and the bullish confirmation. While most traders were still focused on the earlier sell-off, I was now expecting aggressive expansion to the upside. This was the exact moment the entire setup came together. And after the entry, price completely exploded. Buyers took control aggressively, momentum expanded fast, and the market started pushing higher without hesitation. Once the manipulation phase ended, there were almost no sellers left to slow the move down. This is what happens when liquidity finally shifts direction. Now the next objective was very clear. Buy-side liquidity resting above these highs. The market had already trapped sellers below, and now price was naturally drawn toward liquidity sitting at the top. This is why I wasn't randomly targeting levels. The market was already showing where it wanted to move next. And finally, price delivered exactly what the setup was building toward from the beginning. Buy-side liquidity above the highs was taken aggressively, and the entire move completed perfectly. What looked like weakness earlier was actually the foundation for this expansion. The trap was complete. And now, if you look back at the earlier inducement, everything starts making sense. That panic sell-off wasn't real weakness. It was liquidity engineering. Retail traders got trapped into bearish emotion, while smart money was quietly preparing for the reversal from demand. The entire move was connected from the very beginning. Most traders react to fear inside manipulation. Smart traders wait for liquidity to reveal the real direction. The market doesn't reward emotion. It rewards patience, confirmation, and timing. And this setup was the perfect example of that.